just pray Changa will pass here.
You want to go and see which of your friend Nkechi? Eh? Is it Nkechi that went to the village to see her grandmother or another Nkechi? Eh? So you're going to go and see Changa? You're taking our food to that policeman, Changa. Okwaya? Eh?
Please leave me alone.
I should leave you alone.
Stay away from this affair.
Come here, I should leave you alone. What do you mean I should leave you alone?
Don't touch me.
Leave me now. Leave me. What? You will not go. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Respect yourself. Please walk. You think you are getting it? Let me tell you, even if you like manufacture 50 like you, I am going to meet Changa. I will defeat. Hey! I will break your head. Try it. You don't even have a head. Look at your small head, like a knot, or not. Even if they like, let them manufacture 100 of your kind in this village. I, Changa, I will deal with all of you. That's it. Better your life, Umba. Do something with your life. The little money you steal from this small thing you steal, instead of you to use it to better your life, you use it to go and buy a peteri. Wotule.
You know, Kuluwan, Wotule.
This village. So respect yourself. Why, please? Huh? You're telling me please. Look, the more you tell me please, the more angry I become. The more you tell me please, the more angry I become. Respect yourself and follow me down.
Like stick.
I will deal with you.
And look for something doing.
Commando!
Hey, Amana, I came in peace.
What is chasing you?
It was what I saw that brought me here.
What did you see?
My only male dog, Ekwekwe, relocated to Mazi Bekwe's house because of a hot female dog he brought from Iseke. Commander, could you imagine that every attempt I made to bring this dog back home failed me? That's why I'm here. Please help me.
But wait, please. So you came here to complain that your randy male dog chasing Mazi Bekwe's female dog and calling it home?
But, oh, Kuchala, I need it back home.
It's a simple case, really. You know, all you need to do is go to Ibekwe and ask him if you can perform the marriage traditional rites between both dogs. That way, you can take your dog and the female dog back home.
Oh, Commander, am I here? Oh, I'm beauty! Oh, beautiful! God bless you!
Did he actually think I meant what I said? Oh, what won't we see in this charge office? Well, if it solves his problem, who am I to complain?
Okay, what? See, please, I'll offer down my girlfriend. Please, I'm begging you.
Is she beautiful?
Hey, Mama Sano.
Shut up!
Oh, Edoro, one nigga, Adoro.
Okay, that's good. That is what I like.
Shut up your mouth. Did we tell you that we came to work in this village for Ndorism? What to, Nat? Are you mad? I even think I'm working with an officer. So now, at the mention of beautiful girl now and the Ndori, your senses have left the rightful position and has come to your thighs to come and rest.
She's very beautiful.
I'm talking, you're still talking. If I slap you now. So, wait, okay, let us assume, in assumption, you brought this fine girl. You take her in, and then make do with this girl. You finish making do with this girl, and then we go to Commander Woski. What are we going to take Commander Woski?
It is true.
You can tell her anything, anything.
Shut up! I said, shut up! Look at you, for suggesting such thing. Do you know what you are? You are nothing but a weapon of mass destruction.
Let me tell you.
She's beautiful, oh.
Let me tell you that I'm talking and you're chipping your talk into my talk. If I use this thing on top of your head, you don't even have a head, though. What you have is one knot. By the time I use this thing on you, I'll crack it. Now, you're going to move and show us wherever you've kept that girl with all the whole peteri, pant.
Wotule.
That you've been using stolen money to buy for this girl. You're going to bring all of them out. You understand? Because criminal like you, people like you in this community, if they leave you 1 second in this community, you're going to sell the entire community. Now move.
Just think about
it. Move.
Move. Think about what?
Move.
What is there to think about?
Move.
Huh?
Move.
Mama be original. Mama be original. Toilet, mama be original. Mama be original. Toilet, mama be original. Mama be original. Toilet, mama be original. Mama.
I see the hot.
Toilet, mama be original. Mama be original. Toilet, mama be original. Mama be original. Toilet, mama be original. 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 Toilet, mama be original. Toilet, mama be original. Toilet, mama be original. 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 Mama be toilet, mama be original. Toilet, mama be original. Mama be original. Mama be original. Mama be original. Toilet, mama be original.
This one you are running, panting, carrying a gallon of palm wine. Udodekwa. My brother Olisa, Udode. It's just that my male dog relocated to Mazi Bekwe's house. I was wondering what to do and I went to Commander Whiskey. She advised me to buy a gallon of palm wine and go to Mazi Bekwe and plead with him. So both of us can arrange a marriage between my male dog and his female dog.
Aye. Wonders indeed shall end one day. Where has this ever happened before?
I don't understand what you are talking about. Are you telling me that you want to marry dog and dog? If that's how you see it, yes. It's my only dog. You know I cannot do without it, Olisa. You know it very well. So Mazi Bekwe will take the wine and then we arrange the marriage for the two dogs so that they can come back home. Please, can you people accompany me to Mazi Bekwe's house?
We are going to Mazi Okeke's house. We want to go and deliberate over a land issue. And as you can see, we are almost late. So we cannot accompany you now.
What you will do now is, you will just go. Whatever the outcome, you will let us know later.
Yes.
Okay. The outcome will be okay. I can assure you that. You know, Commander Whiskey is involved in this matter. And you know she cannot do anything. There is no problem. Whatever the outcome, just let us know. Huh? Oh, listen. I said Commander Whiskey is involved.
We heard you.
Oh, listen. I said Madam Whiskey.
What is your name?
Chimolena.
So it's because of you that this young man has been stealing just to buy you pants.
I don't know he steals though. He told me his father was working in the township.
More.
And sent him plenty of money all the time.
Where is the pant?
Thank you very much, Commander Wosko. Very important.
Shut up! I wasn't talking to you.
No, I was just...
I said shut up!
Sorry.
Now, young lady, I'll ask you again. Where is the pant?
Commander Woski, Can I take her inside and confirm if she's wearing it as a gallant officer? The Grace.
Onyolo, Enawa, thank you so much. If it's to run after Mama V and her people, you won't be able to do it.
Just to confirm.
Shut up. Now, young baby, one more time. Where is the pant?
I'm wearing it under.
Thank God.
Shut up. Now, remove the pant and hand it over to Oluchi.
Hey! Yeah, ma.
Yes! Yes!
Shut up!
Sorry, Commander, we're sorry.
Remove it right here and now, or you'll end up in the cell.
Hey! Yeah, come back! Come back! Okay! Okay! You must come back here! Huh? If I hear offie from your mouth.
Okay, she thinks she can run. She can run, but she can't run away.
You did not catch her?
Nearly. Even as I was chasing her, breeze was blowing and I was seeing the pant in contention lying there.
Nearly cannot kill a bird. Obina, you're not going anywhere until your girlfriend comes back. But if your girlfriend fails to come back, we're going to hold you here and force you to work in a farm until you earn back the 300 naira you got from the sale of the cassava.
Commander, please, please, I'm begging you. Please, officers, please.
Commander.
Yes.
I would prefer him working and paying me. I don't want the pants another woman has worn.
Oluchi, please now, have mercy.
Very well then. I mean, you don't know the kind of disease that girl has on her. So, you've heard her. Tomorrow, you start working the farm. By the time you earn the 300 naira, we will call you back to take your money.
Okay.
Meanwhile, put him inside the cell.
Okay, ma.
Commander, please, I'm not going to lock two of us together.
Shut up. You're very stupid. You have the guts to utter such nonsense. You're fear. Instead of you to try to change your life, you're here thinking of a woman that you will rape inside the cell.
Officer. I don't need to tell you to move yourself.
Please.
Now move.
You're not going to respect yourself now, Abi.
Commander, please, Commander, please, officer, please, officer.
Wendy, after everything what I tell you, you still get mine. They carry sand, they put for my garden. Veronica, if not for one thing, that your head will not be on your shoulders. I don't tell you, I don't beg you. Say, may you just do this thing without me and my boys. Leave us. You feel they do anything with the villagers now, then waka come city come carry you come. But we just stay here, you waka come meet us. Leave us, make we they do our business. Don't do it near us. I don't tell you finish. Now lie. Veronica, now lie you the lie. Veronica, now real lie you the lie. Let me tell you something. I am Commander Woods. I'm in charge of this community. I took an oath that I will make this community crime-free. No one is exempted. Not you, not those your stupid men that fight for you. I will advise you one more time. Pack your loads and get out of this community. Else.
Else what?
Else.
Else what? What will happen? It be like saying you don't forget.
Waiting.
Waiting happened for September 27th, 1986. Hey, Ekenokoro still there alive, oh. And all the pictures where we take that day, still there with me. So make your mind there and say evidence there against you. I don't want you. Commander Woski.
Janga, for the first time in my life, I want to accept that you're my senior. Yeah, oh yes. Please, lead the way, let me follow you.
Thunder fire you. In fact, you are mad. Thunder will not get break and go fire you. Are you no longer the senior sergeant? And I'm your junior. Eh? Look, lead the way as the senior that you've always been. Don't be afraid of what will happen at the back. In fact, any corner you like, let them come from. I am going to protect you. Protect your going and protect your coming. Hey, water, to lead the way, let us move there.
Janga, this is time you would have shown your gallantry, Janga. This is the time.
You're already showing it. In fact, I know that if you lead the way and we arrive safely, Boski is going to increase your rank. So let us move there.
Hey, I never knew you could be so wicked. It is written all over you.
Yes. Let me tell you, it's all this sermon, all this preaching you're preaching. I am not into this thing. If you're not going to move ahead now, I am going to scream. And if I scream, these people will come to this place and kill us. I'm not afraid to die. I am not afraid to die at all. So let us go now.
Shut up there. I am the only son of my parents. We better return back to the chat room, dead or alive. One thing must happen.
Shut up, bro. You understand? Close your rotten mouth. When I came to fill form, did you see me put nest of kin? I put nest of kin for that place. I put successor. Or was it not only me? That place is the nest of kin. My name has people for that place. I'm talking rubbish. Hey!
I think they may go block to that side. These people not that side, and then they from escape. Now then they from escape.
See boy, make I tell you. Those people they just get luck. Because as I tell you now, the fear we don't stay on those people back. By now, I believe we don't gain your power.
See, that can make I tell you the truth. You see, for this village, as we did, so all of them then go delete one after the other. As we don't dominate here, we don't dominate them. As you take CDC, so one after the other, and so then go flee commode. You see that one where they call Changa? Bonam, we go change that to Kandapara. See, for this village, you know, continue. Oh, they were capacity.
I see, be brother. They go pass message that was key.
They go over first.
What the hell happened?
Commander Woski, we were protecting our uniform and our shoe from the rain.
Rain? Which rain? I mean, the sun is about to roast me here. What rain are you talking about?
Commander Woski, don't tell us that it didn't rain here.
I am sure both of you were running away from the criminals you were supposed to arrest.
No, Mama, how can you talk a thing like that? How can we run from criminals? Criminals are supposed to run from us. Yeah. At the sight of these two men, criminals are supposed to take on their heels. In fact, we removed these clothes to collect fresh air.
Yes.
Was it not?
Yes.
Not just because of fresh air. As we were chasing after that pant criminal, So I discovered that this cloth was heavy on us. I advised Sergeant Nati here that we should remove our clothes so that we can you know, accelerate well, because we were not running as faster as we were supposed to. So the moment we removed this cloth to come and see our race, we were accelerating as if something was pushing us from behind.
Changa, do you still remember Choma Juma?
If Choma Juma was running behind us, she wouldn't have seen our back. Mama, it was not just the pant criminal. We were also chasing after Mama V and her cohorts. You understand? Mama, do you know the good news? The good news is that we caught them, tied them to a tree inside the forest. If chances happens, in fact, if these people survive, Mama, go and catch any hunter you know. He must be responsible for their release, because they cannot be released.
You know what? Both of you are failures.
Thank you, ma.
Disappointment to this outfit.
Thank you, ma.
What do you mean, thank you?
As a matter of fact, you're both fired.
Mama, please. Please. Mama, please.
Let me have my baton.
It hasn't gotten to... Did we lie?
For what purpose now?
You lie?
No, nobody lied.
You rapist! I came for people like you. I came to sanitize the system. You are going to jail.
Please, don't kill me. I swear I will never do it again.
Oh no! You will never do it again. Because you will never have the opportunity to do it again.
Please, don't kill me.
You will be behind bars. I've heard so much about you. And now I finally have you. And you, young girl, you've been the attack of 2 men within hours. There must be something about you that these men find attractive. Now run home! And you, no? Get up. We're going to the station. Don't try anything funny. This way. Don't try anything. Move!
Where are you going happily with a big cock? My dear, I'm going to see Commander Whiskey. She has done wonderfully well for me. Is it about the dog? Not just the dog alone. Could you imagine that when I took the palm wine to Mazi Bekwe and we dialogued, then at the end of the day, his hot female dog got married to my hot male dog. And when his son came calling, he saw my daughter, he became interested in my daughter. Oh, so very soon I will invite you for the traditional marriage. I'm going to thank this woman for doing this for me. You cannot see that the marriage of dogs has led to the marriage of humans. So she deserves more than this. This is good though. Yes. I will see you later at the meeting. No problems, I will be there. Maybe I will also try my goat on Okafor's goat to see if my son will be attracted to his daughter. You see, I have learned one thing in this life. Nothing is impossible. Whatever you believe on, you go ahead, you will get it. You are very correct. It worked for me. It will also work for you. Well, no problem. I will see you later at the meeting. Commander, we needed to pass this message very urgently. Though our people are happy with your activities, but we are worried at the same time.
Why?
We are worried about Mama V and the gang. We never expected them to remain here till when other criminals have fled away. And we contributed some money for you and your boys to buy guns and all that to chase away. If we keep on seeing her here, she keeps on reminding us of the glory days.
Yes. We want to know why. Is it that the barber does not know how to barb, or the blade is no longer sharp?
What do you want?
I want me you pack your things, come up for this community.
Oh, Veronica, you're so funny. You know that is not possible. My people are happy with my services, so I can't leave.
Now him be saying na war you find come. You know say everything why I take they do my things. I don't pack on one side as I enter this village. Come they do my small business, they obtain, they chop. But now when you say you no one go, I will go bring everything back. We go start the war and you know say we go do and where.
What you call small business is big business for a lot of people. I just want to advise you, pack your things and leave this community. Else.
When you talk this your else, now that one they vex me pass. You know say if you be rapper, I feel tie you well. If you be handbag, I go carry you enter market buy things. Eh? And you know say you no fit scratch my body, talk more of killing me. And you know why? Abi you go talk say you no know. Commander Whiskey.
Is she alright?
I don't know. Seems like she's not.
What could be wrong with a whole Commander Whiskey? The antidote to every problem.
I don't know. Jesus.
Changa?
Huh?
Nah. Please don't be angry. Huh?
What is the problem?
I have been battling this through my mind. Huh? I want to understand the difference between abroad and overseas.
And that one they scatter your head?
Yes, now.
It's very simple.
Really?
It's very simple that you see how these people will say they go for car park, aeroplane garage where they park aeroplane. Somebody go to airport, and use his money and buy tickets. Then enter aeroplane. You can't fly past plenty country. As in fly. You fly, come past plenty country, come land for the country where they go. That one abroad. But you see how these people will say you won't go that place now. You can't go pass through Libya. Then you can't go Libya, can't go through Chad, then come pass desert. You see this desert, the desert get plenty desert too. You get Sahara desert, you get Magnetic desert, you get Catapult desert. So this desert why they tell you if the way they don't come pass and finish, can't enter anything like ship or boat or even canoe, come pass anything where they call sea. Sea na sea, any kind of sea where you be. As long as your leg enter canoe, you enter the ship, or you enter the sea, come pass, they come land to the country where they go. Those ones now people will go over sea. Hey! So if you get any of your brother, we don't go over sea, or wait till you say they over sea, 1 year don't pass. 2 years don't pass, 3 don't pass, 4, 5. You never hear from her. Wanna go begin to buy canopy. Rent canopy, buy coffin, prepare for him burial because that person don't die.
Hey!
It's either fish, don't chop them for inside sea, or all those big animals waiting for desert, don't chop them. Don't even shit them. Then the shit now don't turn to manure. They run they use and grow tree for inside desert. Water.
Hey! Hey, Jenumi Jendi Waji. Changa, are you sure of what you just told me?
These guys, this is the kind of question where they ask me. I be intelligent too. I be intelligent. Forget say I did for this place. Me and you they work for this charge office. I be intelligent. Eh? You see this is what I just tell you now. No be exaggeration. I no pick am from anywhere. I no borrow am from anywhere. This thing na something wey be say our teacher for secondary school, Teacher Krofo taking time teach us this thing for fine art. And I take my time, record am for my brain. You got that? I study fine arts when I did for school. So now waiting they teach us for fine arts. Now I just give you small of the lecture. Now I just give you now.
I must confess you are a good student of fine arts. This word is wicked though. People can deceive people. I was busy in school studying geography. Yet they never taught me something like this.
See, Mega, if they call me fine art, it even bring me down. I be fine art with apply art. You know what? I study fine art, finish, can't study apply art on top. So now I be fine art plus apply art. You study geography, it not be waste too. If you study geography, it not be waste. Because now for inside geography, now the teacher say how Judas Iscariot take betray Jesus Christ.
Okay, because of the J and Joe?
Yeah, because of the J and Joe. Okay. Where they for inside the place. Okay. So geography now the study of how Elizabeth became mother of John the Baptist. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
And I made the teachers the thing.
Hey, thank God though. God, I thank you. You see, for inside my dream, I nearly entered overseas.
Is it?
Oh yes.
Thank God though. Thank God say you no enter it overseas. Because by now, villagers for they tell me say make I go bring money for your burial. And you know say I no get shish.
If you say I entered that overseas, what you have to talk?
Not be who they alive.
God, I thank you. I thank you for waking me up.
You say if like say you go overseas, what if for talk? Not be who they alive then they talk.
That could have been the plans of my enemies. Wanting me to go to overseas in the dream. I'll do it.
Make I complete this.
I'll do it.
After this last warning I'm going to give, you remain adamant. I will spill the beans and mess up everything.
are here already. All like you.
Okay, man. Let's leave that one for now. How did it go last night?
Oh, but see, she left us last night without saying a word at all. This is our worry. Hence the decision to make her say something. Who's about it?
We must too. Because since you talked to me and my wife on how to take care of ourselves, our marriage has become milk and honey. Really? And I must contribute anything to make sure that our work goes on wonderfully well.
Exactly. Exactly.
Commander Woski is a wonderful blessing to this our community. And we will do everything to make sure it remains like that.
Bam! That is what we will do. So let's rush to the charge office and see her.
Yes.
Something has to be done. Let's go. We want to see her. It's very important. Leave it. No.
I pledge to Nigeria, my country, to be faithful, loyal, and honest, to serve Nigeria with all my strength, to defend our unity, and uphold our honor and glory. So help me God. Commander Woski, reporting for duty this morning is Senior Officer Nati Umubiakpo and Junior Officer Tanga Nwa.
Thunder fire you. Thunder fire you.
What?
How many times have I warned you to stop calling me, addressing me as junior officer? I've told you time without number. Never you ever address me as junior officer. If in case your respect box has broken, go and look for a tailor to sew it for you. Maintain decorum. That is, you gotta behave. Because next time, make I warn you now, where Commander Woski dey here. Anytime when you open your mouth, address me as junior officer. I go officiate your mouth for you. I go bend your mouth. You dey hear me so?
Commander Woski, permit me to fire this useless changa on your behalf. Commander Woski, I am talking to you, ma. Sorry, sir.
Commander, are you okay?
I am going on a journey immediately. I expect both of you to abide by the ethics and law of this outfit. Make sure you maintain law and order within the community. I'll be back in a few days. Here's my gun.
Son, Commander, what? I hope you heard what she said.
What did she talk?
She said we should protect the earth of this office. We should protect the earth of this office. So. I will headbutt you. I will headbutt you.
Now listen to me. So you people think you can chase me out of this village? You lied. You now contribute money to buy gifts for Woski. I know all your plans. Go and ask Woski who I am. She will tell you. And I'm giving each and every one of you a bill of 1 goat and 1 fowl. If I don't see it before night, you will sleep on top of your roofs. Fools. Are you still looking at me, idiot?
Oh, Lisa. Okanoya. Let me check. Oh, Lisa, Okanoya.
Are you sure?
Get up. What do you want me to do?
My fellow elders, we are finished though.
Obasi, how can that be? When we have Commander Woski, if your legs can carry you, let us run.
You're crazy. What? Yes, you're mad. Who is mad? Look at you. It is you that is mad. You're mad though. Tanda, you're mad. Each and every time you claim senior officer, you claim senior rank. Have I been here before you? Even if you are here before me, do you have sense before me? I have been here before you. I have been having military sense. Oh yeah. Let me see you. I have been having military sense. Handle the gun. We are both. Yes, Commander.
Are you people crazy? How dare you jump in here without even saying good morning or how are you? You are standing here asking stupid questions. Are you stupid? No, nothing. Are you mad? Even if your brain doesn't work, can't you see with your eyes that these are elders?
Amazon, my elders, please forgive him. Because this person you see here has mental problem.
Hey! In fact, this mental problem was before he was employed unknowingly. So I think the thing has started up again. So please forgive him. All you have to do now is go home. By the time our commander, that is Commander Woski, returns, I will send for you so that you come and see her.
But did she tell you where she went to?
I just told you now that she went out and I don't know where she went to. Please, you people should just go because of this madman.
Hey!
Please, leave.
Hey, don't meet you.
Take it! Yeah? You found me as a madman! Are you not a madman?
Hey!
Look at them! Come back! What foolish old men! Look at them! Wait, borrowed red kerchiefs! Nothing! You mean you wasted this bullet for nothing? Madam Woski, giving this gun to protect innocent souls against armed robbers. You wasted this bullet just like that.
Tanda, let me tell you, I'm going to put the statement down.
You don't think you are
statement down? You don't think you are saying you? I will put your statement down now. Carry the returns. Carry the next victim to enter that cell.
Tanda, carry it!
Abasi, where are you running to? That's not the road to your house, you know. Yeah, our road here, that's not the road.
Mazi Keme, leave me for now. Anyway, it's your will. Hey, I'm from Kanchebe Nkezo. Later I will see you people in the night. Bye-bye.
Oh, listen. What of you?
Mazi Keme, as for me, I'm going to hide at the plantation. I will call you anytime necessary.
I'll shoot. I will kill you and bury you. Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. Tanga, you think I am your game?
Tanga!
Stand one place. If you don't
touch the trigger.
If you think
don't touch the trigger.
Stand one place. I'm even sure vultures will reject your corpse.
Don't touch the trigger.
But I'll fire you and beg them to please accept your corpse. So stand one place now. Let me fire you. Stand at ease. Yeah? Okay. Is that protection? You think that is bulletproof?
Tanga?
You think it's a bulletproof? You think it's a bulletproof? It's plastic, oh. I'll fire. Okay, you think I'm joking with you? Huh?
Tanga!
You think I'm playing with you? You think I'm joking? I'll
I'll shoot your spinal cord, though. I will fire your ass. Yotula. I will fire your Yotula. Your medulla oblongata. In fact, I will break your spinal cord now. Huh? You think it's protection? You think there's no bullet in this thing? Look at your spinal cord here. Tanga. I'll shoot your spinal cord, though. Tanga. I'll shoot your spinal cord, though. I'll shoot your spinal cord now. I'll shoot your spinal cord. Still one bullet, let me fire. You think there's no bullet? You think there's no bullet?
People are confused. I tell you, I think their madam is not around. This is our only chance to escape. You mean now? Now. Then make we terrorists now.
Please spare me. Spare me, I will submit to your government and call you senior officer.
Thank you. I like this thing you just said now. I agree to it. Okay. But before then, you're going to take several oaths. One, you're going to take with Amadioha. Okay. You're going to take with Ikenga. You're going to take with Idemili. And even their junior brother, Obi Ogwe. You could take with them.
I will, senior officer Changa.
Correct. I will. Before we commence for the oath taking, we are going to do a little practical. Oh, okay. Before you go to the shrine to swear. Jump now like one wall. Okay.
Anything you say, I will do my new master.
Correct.
I will do it my new master.
Now begin. Begin. I will fire your kidney now if you don't do it very well. I will shoot your kidney. Come on! Move it! Move it! Move it! Move it! Move! Jump well!
Be mindful of the trigger, please.
You think I'm like...
Be mindful of the trigger.
You will lose your kidney now. Your kidney will be in trouble. Come, concentrate.
Dikeh, sir, your 2 hands up.
Sir?
Up.
Sir?
Up here.
Up here, sir.
Up. Now, not sir. Yes, senior officer.
Yes, senior officer.
Senior master.
Senior master.
Nothing will be a bomb.
Nothing will be a bomb.
Jump like a frog.
Sir, change animal for me now, please.
Jump!
Oh, even if it is crocodile, let me walk like a crocodile.
I will shoot you if you don't do it.
Oh! Don't shoot.
I will concentrate on your ears. Dikeh? Jump like a frog.
Oh!
I'll remove your ears. Keep moving. Move. Move. Turn. This way. Again.
Please don't cut this ear off.
Move.
Come we can hear Commander Woski.
Move it.
Not remove my ear, make it hear what Commander Woski talk.
Even your teeth. Your teeth. Fast. Fast. Mama! Good news. Good news. What did I tell you? Good news for this villa. I don't tell you.
Which news is good?
Mama, you know say Woski, she don't delete from this villa.
Eh?
I dey tell you now.
Are you serious?
I don't feel like give you now.
I talk I no tell you. I tell you say she go go. I trust myself. I know say she go run.
I tell you, all of them then go come up for this village for us. Mama, see as this thing takes stand now, be say. See, as they don't work, we go enter. We go rugged the village.
May we go confirm am first.
We go turn this village upside down.
I say may we go confirm am.
Okay, confirm am, they bring confirm, come give you.
May we go confirm am. I say follow me, may we go confirm am.
Mama,
wait, now no jubilate. May we go confirm am.
Mama, na me be star girl.
I trust you.
I be star girl. I don't go believe fake. I bet you want to get big. Make I hold her. Mama, believe me. See for this place where you are rich there. Never believe you.
No dey talk now. No jubilate. May we go confirm am.
When did you see before now?
No, that's it.
Well, you see, this is the situation now. And you are the only one that can help me. I wouldn't want her to ruin my community. Eh? Now, you see, I can't even take her out because of the oath we took while we were in secondary school. All of us decided to turn new leaves. It's only Mama V that has remained a criminal. Listen, what I need is for the oath to be broken or at least take her out.
Do you know what?
Yeah?
My master that prepares the oath is dead. And I can't break it.
Eh?
But wait, I can assure you one thing.
What?
I can take her out. Nothing will happen to you and nothing will happen to me too.
You're sure about that?
Yes.
Now, listen. The only thing that can give you legitimacy is if you join our community police. Yes.
Okay, I will. As far as you are concerned, I'm ready to do anything.
Listen, if you do this for me, I will forever be eternally grateful to you.
Do you know what? I will be in your village as early as I can. But you will remain here until I signal you.
To come back to my village?
Yes.
No problem, I'll stay here. That's not a problem. I have one problem. I need to get you the uniform. Yes. Yes. So you'll be like us.
No problem.
Alright?
Thank you.
I should be the one, thank you.
You know, go leave this gun, Abi? You don't want to leave this gun?
Oh, Changa.
Yeah?
Changa. It's not high time you understand that I am your senior.
Then if you are my senior, you leave the gun for the junior. Because I need to use it to protect myself. As a senior officer, you don't need protection. Because you are well trained though.
That's a blatant lie. As my junior colleague, you are supposed to make use of baton, not gun.
Leave this gun.
Before
I'm telling you. Leave this gun now, one. I'm warning you. Leave this gun.
Changa.
Leave this gun.
Leave this gun. Before I close my eyes and open it, leave this gun.
Leave this gun, though.
My eyes are closed.
Leave this gun now.
Changa.
Leave this gun.
Leave your slippers. Go hard, though. Go hard. Those people get gone. People get gone. They feel just blow us off. I have another plan. Then I'll remove your slippers. We'll just tiptoe out.
I am going to report you. Hey!
Again.
Changa.
Yeah?
What have you done?
What have I done?
What have you done?
What have I done?
Hey!
Hey!
Hey! You allowed these people to run. I wanted to go after these people. You were holding me.
When I held your hand, did I hold their legs?
Hey! Hey, gentlemen, gentlemen,
when I held your hand, did I hold your legs?
Hey, gentlemen, gentlemen,
you watch her.
You're a fool.
You're empty, oh.
You're a fool.
You're empty.
What are we going to tell Commander Woski when she returns?
Tell her anything you want to tell her, anything that comes into your head because you know how to cook stories and tell her.
I'm a storyteller.
Yes.
I cook stories. Let me tell you. The way I'm seeing myself, I am seeing sack.
Then the way I'm seeing myself now, I'm seeing promotion.
When you cost everything.
What? Okay, now, tell me, what did I cost?
Don't you know that 1 to 3 steps, I'll catch them.
What did I cost?
Hey!
What did I held your hand. When I held your hand, did I hold your leg?
Hey!
Is it not with leg that they run with?
Changa?
Do you run with the hand?
Lovers, where charge office day for this village?
Charge office. It's true. You go down there, take by your left. You go down there. man?
Maybe he came to complete the work Mandowoski started.
Onyenka, what can this witch do?
See, sometimes you don't look at the size, but the power, behind the size.
Which power? The police. Hey!
Maybe you don't finish that bullet. Abi? Like say you get liver, your liver still dey function. Why you no fire me the bullet? Instead you go to fire am for air. Where your liver?
You know what I expect from you? As you don't talk finish, make you slap me.
If I slap you, no go see head though.
Idiot.
You no go see your head though.
Idiot.
If I slap you, your head go come out though.
The only luck where you get be say Commander Woski count those bullets where they inside. If not by now, your people for don't finish your burial.
Wait oh. Commander Woski can't bullet keep. Nobody they claim say you be superior over me. Why you not enter that place go collect one bullet?
Hey! See who they talk. Hey! See who they talk. Not be me and you there when Commander Woski give you commander. Commander! You know if you use that power do something.
Oh, you don't get 3 rank again. Nobody they claim 3 rank officer. Say my own are 1.
And so?
I get 1.
And so bloody what?
Dara, mad people. Where they? No be them say they get this village. Say we go run for them. Why they come they run? You una just see knife una begin run. See the gun, they don't leave and go. Now we come there in charge now. Now we get the gun. Una no fit do anything again. With the gun where they leave una, now leave and run. Mumu, see them.
Come now.
Imagine, stagger.
Come on.
See their gun, they even leave.
Mama, the mama.
Mama,
the mama.
We don't conquer this place.
We don't chance them now. We don't dominate them.
Nah, you don't become true. Say Woski don't run. So now we there in charge.
Now wow.
The gun our own now.
So far.
Anything we una want to now, me una the arranger. I'm sending both of you now to enter the village, turn it upside down. Obtain everything, obtain
Mama.
Even if na human being, now make una go organize, do arrange things as we dey do am before.
Mama, leave. Mama, say now wow.
No
Mama,
bullet
leave
for the gun.
Bullet no dey.
Make I go inside.
Yeah, wait till that. Wait, you go get bullet now. All this thing, all of them. Not that man. Hey. I don't know if it's an operation. Yeah, Papa.
Hey, hold soldier. How much you don't make today? Take. Get in. Come get. Adios. Go.
Come, stop them. Where they go? Where can you see they go?
I'm going to the market to sell it.
To sell it? Because come on, drop on there.
Come on, Woski!
Wait, he call. Woski. That's what we did. That's what we did. Come on. Come on.
Wicho, what are you doing here?
Oh, you called me Wicho.
You called me Wicho. Anyway, I'm here to help
Commander Woski, free this community from your bondage. Now, live here now.
You're a liar. I said you are a big fool. Do you know you cannot do me anything? The same way Woski cannot touch me. So I've chosen this business to survive. So both of you should leave me alone.
Then quit crime. Quit crime. Every other member of the ladies' court in secondary school has quit, except you.
I should quit crime. And do what? Eh? Tell me what I will do if I quit crime. Tell me now. You are here to command me I should leave crime. Tell me what I will do. Have you forgotten you are just an ordinary servant to Okobo who administered the oath? You cannot harm me. The same way Woski cannot harm me. Okobo is dead now. So none of you living can do anything to me. Yes.
Oh, you called me an ordinary servant. Yes. You called me an ordinary servant. Eh?
What are you?
Now I give you 2 minutes to leave here.
Oh, my friend, shut up. Leave here. Is it this uniform that I don't even know how you got that is deceiving you? You think you can just fall from heaven and ask me to leave this community? Eh? Do you know how I came to this place? It's like I'm wasting my time on you. Fool.
Why are you running? Come and try me. Abudi Kembe. Look at you. Hey! Oh my God. A woman that sports while urinating wants to try me.
Hey! Huh? I don't even know. Sometimes I act like a drunk. Sometimes I act like somebody who takes wee-wee. I don't even listen to my instinct. Eh? Because if my senses were intact, by now I should have remained in my village.
You are a fool. If not that you are fighting me, we will finish these people. Eh? Now the inmates don't run away. Hey! Look at Mama V don't take over the whole station. Hey! Woski go kill us, so. Woski go kill us, so if she comes back. Our lives are no longer safe. We are not safe, oh.
Let me tell you, it is your foolishness, oh. It is your foolishness.
An idiot.
Okay, I'm an idiot. Okay, yes, I agree. I'm an idiot. No problem. But as I'm looking at you now, eh? You're a kangaroo.
I'm a what?
Yes, you're a kangaroo.
Uze.
Okay, Uze.
Uze.
Okay, I even called you kangaroo and you have mouth to talk. No, let me change animal for you because kangaroo, you may roll and enter the road. And somebody will rescue you. Let me change the animal for you. As I'm looking at your face now, what I'm seeing is a riffraff.
Me, riffraff?
Yes.
Huh?
That is what you are. Yes.
Is that what you wanted? Is that the way you want it?
Yes.
Is that the way you want it? Okay, Changa. Let me tell you. You are nothing but H-I-P for the hippopotamus. You are hippopotamus.
Okay, at least I'm a hippopotamus. My name, they can use it and sing song. Now, see the way it is sweetening in your mouth. You're using hippopotamus to sing song. But in your own, I don't even know the class of animal that I will call you. In fact, you are Runtupanfik.
Look at you.
You don't have base.
You opened your mouth and tell me that you concur. Where is that you're concurring?
Yes, I concur. Are you not the senior officer? Because I remember that time when you were fighting because of seniority. You said you are the senior officer. You're supposed to be in the front to protect your junior officer.
I also remember the time you were fighting me that you're older than me. As my elder brother, you're supposed to be in front while I start the back.
Me, your elder brother?
Prove it!
Look at this face.
Your elder brother don't know tele.
Look at this face. How does this face connect with your own? You call me your elder brother. When I was filling form, that place is right next of kin. Did I put your name there to show that you're my brother? See, let me tell you, there is no seniority in battle. In war front, there is no seniority. It is the #1 battalion that leads the 150 battalion. If you don't know, in the constitution of Army, Federal Republic of Nigeria section 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
There is no
and other
need
sections
for
for
you
other sections will be very close to that.
Killing ourselves.
If you don't know.
Let us think on how to face Commander Woski.
Good on you.
Because as you're looking at me,
okay, no problem.
Which one are you? Enemy or friend?
A friend. We heard that you came and I was sent to come and see you. For help, because our people are running away.
Tell them not to run. Eh? I am Shanghai, Abdi Kembe. And I have come to complete the work of Commander Whiskey. Eh? And I will finish Mama V. I'm going to finish Mama V. Where is her house?
Who is Whiskey?
Don't worry about Whiskey. She will soon be here. She will soon be here. Now come and take me to the house. Oh yeah? Show me the house.
Okay.
Shanghai this long. What's going on? Is it that he hasn't seen Mama V? He has spiritual powers. Oh. What's going on in my community? I need to go back to my community. Whatever happens, let it happen.
No, mama, now wow. Only today like this, oh. See, found now. Like 18. Go to be like 21 like this. Who don't arrange for today alone? Are you going to hear say more run for who now? More run for that small thing. Mama, why they tell say more they run for that way? Now wow, mama. Now like this, so the guy don't pass like this, oh. He say more run for them, oh. Chicken now, for town who don't swim better swim, come for this place. Here in a village. Mama, I got the same run for small, but for wait, mama, this cat no go fear, but I said no be you again, mama. Get it for my hand, though.
Stagger.
Mama!
You no understand. That Shanghai where you they see, that waiter, that guy no be ordinary human being, no. As you they see and so.
Bagam.
That guy na the guy where they serve the native doctor where give us oath when we dey school.
Nina.
And na me they tell you. You no know wetin make Woski no fit kill me. Na that matter. That oath we no break her. She no fit touch me, I no fit touch her.
Mama, na now you the thing.
Now where the guy can't show you.
my mind cut. Because I know say, you know just come. Something they happen one I don't know.
Begin they happen on that.
I tell you.
Nah, boy. Me I don't understand why all this thing they happen. No. Me I don't understand. I mean say we don't overcome this one we be old skill. See, make I clear on now. I don't know how I want time. But see be now, this community, I go make all the money I want. Every other place is almost equilibrium deal. Make I just tell you. And this place where they more comfortable for us to run anything matter we want run. Thank God say we get gone now. How they fear we go fight, make we finish am.
Daga, cotton board dey your ear. This is where mama dey yarn, you know they hear her saying we or say no be ordinary human being. You know they hear everything they happen for here. Now what for you? Hey, but mama, me reason this thing calm down. As this thing don't happen like this now, Daga own na pure. We must follow this thing up, oh. Now be what I tell you. Because why would they talk this thing be say anyway when ash day na back valley now go there. Mama, more reason this matter and more face these people. Who face them?
You no understand. I don't tell you say that guy no be ordinary. I tell you say as you just see that guy show for this village, come they show himself, say something they happen. But if you agree, say we must fight. No be so.
Now yeah, what can they tell me? Who be the person now? Who be the papa? Who be the papa for here?
No. If you say make we fight, we go fight. But me, I no one die. I don't tell you before. I no one die.
Mama, leave matter for matter. I say that guy. What did happen? That guy. Come on, fight me.
No.
Tanga, fight me.
Are you trying to try me?
Fight me.
You're trying to try me.
In case you don't know, I am a
come
senior.
let us do it here.
You see what to fight me?
Okay, don't cross here now.
You cross here.
Don't cross.
You cross here.
You want
cross
to try
here.
Me? Cross this line if you want to try me.
Tanga. Who are they? They are supposedly policemen working with Woski. But as she left them, they became confused and cowards. They cannot even do anything.
Let us go and confront the devil. Their case is a small one. Let's go.
Changa,
yeah?
Enough is enough. Please, do you know of any prayer that we can pray together and be free from this trouble?
Can I ask you one small question?
Which is?
When was the last time you prayed?
If I'm not mistaken, and to say the gospel truth, it is more than 50 years.
Okay, since it is over 15 years you prayed, I'm sure by now that the angels in heaven, especially Angel Michael, Raphael and Uriel, where all of them they supervise people prayer, they must have deleted your file. In fact, not even deleting your file, they should have by now burnt your file. So there is no trace of you or your record in their office. What you are going to do now is start calling your idols, all those your village oracles like Amadioha and these other ones where they serve. Start calling them now and tell them that you're coming home. Because very soon now you join your ancestors.
Now tell me, are you not part of it? If you had respected me, we wouldn't have ended up this way. You cost everything, Changa. You cost it.
I want to say, as I advise you now, your brain will be standing up. I don't even know, the more I talk, the more your brain will come down. Even in this time that we are, in this critical time, you still have mouth to talk. You will still talking about seniority. See, make I tell you, as I talk to you like this now, you're dead. In fact, you don't die, you're a dead man. And by the time they bury you, I'll come to your grave and I will choose a comfortable place. No, not a comfortable place, just a comfortable place. I'll locate your head, where your head is. Shit on top of your head.
Hey! The thunder that will strike you now is still undergoing press up.
Thank you.
By the time the thunder is done with the press up, you're a dead man.
Thank you very much.
Look at you!
You said the thunder that will fire me is still undergoing press up, which means I have every chances of escaping before it finishes its press up. But let me tell you, the thunder that will fire you does not have brake. With a little bit lightning that will fire you is in my pocket. If you mess up now, I'll just put a hand in my pocket and release this thunder and it will fire you. By the time it fires you, it will pieces you.
Changa?
Me? Yes, me, you.
Look at you.
Huh? Huh? Idiot. You're joining me, John Duwaji.
You can just sit down now.
You're joining me, John Duwaji.
You can just sit down now.
Huh?
Mama, Vale, vale, mama, vi oye meli, vale. Mama, vi oye meli, vale, vale, mama, vi oye meli, vale. Mama, vi oye meli, vale, vale, mama, vi oye meli, vale. Mama, vi oye meli, vale, vale, mama, vi oye meli, vale. Mama, vi oye meli, vale, vale, mama, vi oye meli, vale. Mama, vi oye meli, vale, vale, mama, vi oye meli. Mama, vi oye meli, vale, vale, mama, vi oye meli, vale. Mama, vi oye meli, vale, vale, mama, vi oye meli. Mama, vi oye meli, vale, vale, mama, vi oye meli. Mama, vi oye meli, vale, vale, mama, vi oye meli, vale. Mama, vi oye meli, vale, vale, mama, vi oye meli.
I know you, Veronica. I will suffer you before I kill you, fool. Big fool!
Let me tell you now.
Changa,
you're going to lose.
Changa,
you're going to lose your teeth now.
Okay.
You want to try me?
Huh?
Changa?
I will give you
2 snakes and monkey shadow.
Ah!
Changa,
I have 3 snakes, so.
Changa,
I have 3.
Huh? Changa?
Huh?
Okay.
You want to try me? You want to try me? Hey! Hey! I have 3 snakes, so. I have 3 snakes.
Changa, I will give you 2 snakes, sir.
Hey! I have 3 snakes, so. Okay. I have 3 snakes, so. I have. Okay. I have.
Changa,
I have.
hey!
What? I have 3 snakes, so.
Now watch me.
Huh? Huh? I have 3 snakes. Now.
Changa? Changa? You know what I'm doing? Changa? Hey!
Hey!
Everybody should hide under his bed, oh! The small police whom I thought is woman is a spirit, oh! Hide, oh! Do not say I have no warning! Everybody should hide under his bed, oh!
Please, I'm begging you, please don't kill me. I'm ready to leave this village, please.
You are not leaving. It's time to play.
Please, please.
Let us play, Veronica. I and you.
Please,
let us play. Right. Yeah, to your house.
My house? Please.
Yes!
Please, oh, please.
Hands up!
Please, 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 no, please.
Move! This way, this way.
Please, I'm begging you.
Remember, you have not tasted the sweet part of a woman. I'm ready to give it to you. I will love you. Please.
I don't think so. Never. I can't trust your words. Never.
I swear with my life. Killing me will be a waste. If you marry me, you gain two things. Two things. One, my love. Then two, you will become a complete woman. I will love you. I took to crime because there was no man to marry me. But if you marry me, I will join you to your own community. I will abandon crime, abandon this community. For your sake. Please. Please, I'm begging you.
Stand up.
Nati, let us use our brain. We are above all this nonsense that we're doing. Let us behave like matured people. Even though I know I'm missing you, but let us behave maturely and leave all this rubbish that we're doing. Let us use our brain to be brave for once.
I'm equally thinking the same. We can't die cowards. No, we can't die cowards.
In that case, I like this concord now. We can't die coward. Let us start it now. Let us behave like we never fooled ourselves. And carry out a reasonable act as intelligent people, not adulterated adults. All I want to hear from you is, I am ready.
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
I am ready.
Then if you are ready, that means we are ready.
Oh yes.
Let us for once do something.
Hey!
One down. Shut up.
Move.
Hi. Chai. You deceived me and took my spiritual powers and also took my guns.
Hey, you've not seen anything. By the time I finish with you, Woski and this village, they will know who is in charge. I'm the king of this game. Undisputable king of this game.
You are a devil!
And you're just noticing it. You've not seen anything. By the time I take you round the village, they will know who you are. And they will know who is in charge. Move! Move! My friend, move. You've not seen anything. Move it! Two down.
Mama! Yes! Two down! Hey! Two down!
Nigerian Channel confirmed they saw Woski lead to the charge office.
Can I make it?
So let's go there and see her.
Okay. Yes.
This is the moment. I must bring Mama V down. I will lay my life for my people that trained me years ago. This is the time.
Come on, move.
Mama, please. Oh, Mama, please. Yo.
I said move.
Oh. Mama, please. Mama, please. Please. Because, Mama V. Mama, oh! Mama, beg. Please. Mama, please.
I said move it.
Mama, please. Oh! Mama, please. Mama.
Ndameza kpụta amenyi. Shut up. Ndameza kpụta amenyi. 2 enyi, 1 elephant, and 1 lizard. Ndameza kpụta.
Oh yeah, leave them. I finish all of you. Leave them.
Hey! Idu Woji.
Huh?
Atobonumo.
Hey! Hey! If you move now, I'll fire you. If you move now, you look for your head now.
Idu Woji. Atobonumo. Release me now.
Hey, she's back. Thank God. How can you name it? Oh, yeah, not why you came. No. Who do you?
Elders, I have a confession to make.
You? Confession?
What? You see,
respect yourself, because as you see me like this, I don't respect you. I don't respect you. Oh, yeah, sit down for grand. Sit grand!
Shanghai! I knew you wouldn't disappoint me.
Commander Woski, the truth is that I failed. She made me test her womanhood, and I lost all my powers. But thanks to the bravery of your men, they did everything. Yes.
Sean. Commander Woski, I'm always at your service, man.
Sean.
Well done, boys.
Now we will take this woman to a proper police station.
Yes.
For proper prosecution. Put her inside the car.
Thank you. Stand up. Use your hand, stand yourself up. Because if I stand you up, you're not going to like it. Use your hand, stand. Come on. Use your hands. Then turn. Use your hand, turn. Because if I turn, you're not going to like him. Enter.
Get in there. Now put your...
Oya. Mona go. Follow. Mona go. Criminals. I don't like Mona.
Come on.
Push them in. Push them.
Make her use that push you.